Meaning of deadline.
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 Deadline. A deadline is a time limit set for the completion of a task or project. It represents the latest time by which something must be finished or submitted. Deadlines are often used to create a sense of urgency and to keep people focused on achieving their goals in a timely manner. Meeting a deadline can have important consequences, such as securing a contract or avoiding penalties. Failing to meet a deadline can result in negative consequences as well, including lost opportunities, damaged reputation, and financial costs.